talks, do you see those lines that show up, the purple lines?
Yeah.
Those are giving you suggested measurements of bounds. So you want to stay in the bounds for aesthetic reasons. And are you getting
Are you wanting me to go here, or what are you asking me to do?
to the left? It's going to hit a wall in the bounding box. There. See?
Got it. Okay. Okay. And then in the elements, that's where the video was, right?
Mm-hmm.
You wanted a
Well, you know, like if you like the high rise look.
yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
then just put or even that Metropolitan video right there.
This
Or
one?
yeah, it looks like there's high rises in there.
Mm-hmm.
I wonder what city that is though.
Right.
Go ahead and erase the one underneath.
Say that again.
Go ahead and erase the one underneath. Oh, you see underneath your video in your original layout, you
Okay.
click on that one and then click delete.
There we go.
And now fit to the size.
Trying to grab it.
Do you have two? You have two. You have a duplicate.
Oops. Now okay.
Go ahead and just click the delete button on your keyboard. On your keyboard. There you go.
Okay.
So this should be Miami because in your search bar it says Miami.
Yeah.
But it depends on what do you want. Do you want something like fresh and in the daytime, or do you want?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
That seems a little dark. Like.
Yeah. What about the next one over to the right? What is that? Oh wow, that's the whole city.
That's cool.
Yeah. Okay.
Because I am all over the place.
That's
You know,
really
I
pretty.
can't be everywhere on there. Oops.
Go ahead and delete your video by clicking, yeah, the old video, and you can just
There it is.
delete, yeah, and then bring that fit to your screen.
I'm
Thank
so
you,
proud
guys.
of you, Ruth.
Thank you for your patience and your encouragement, you guys. You
Yeah.
guys-
Awesome. No, this is brand new for many of us.
Oh, you're blasting my socks off. Thank you.
Of course. Like I did HTML coding for websites, and that was like 20 years ago. So everything's graphic and it being immersive. This is awesome.
Yes.
Oh, Ruth, you're not fit to the screen. Do you see there's like a tiny sliver of white on your far left-hand side? And now you have to position. So don't play the video, but click on your video so that it's highlighted in the purple bounding box.
Whoops.
So don't click on it.
Okay.
Yeah, and then you're gonna go position, which is in the upper right-hand corner there.
Okay.
To back. To back. Already to the
Oh,
far
to back.
To back. There you go. So now, so you see it's hard to see your text.
Yeah.
There are two solutions for that. You can let's see number one. Let's go to elements, and then click the shapes of square.
This one?
Yes. You didn't.
I click square and then it opened this up. Or do you want me to do this here? No?
No.
This one? No?
You try clicking again because it's just giving you the info on the graphic.
So double click. Or is that something?
Don't
Oh, okay.
click on the three dots. Yeah. Just click on, yeah, there you go.
There we go.
And then do you see in the toolbar at the top, it has the blue color,
Mhm.
the blue circle?
Mhm.
Yeah, go ahead and click that. Now change it to white. Yeah. Now go to the three dots in your toolbar in the upper right-hand corner. Position. Don't do to back, but do backward. So backward, oh, go ahead and delete that. We don't want the blue. Go ahead and press the delete key on your keyboard.
Oh, just okay. Whoops.
Oh.
Do I need to go back over here and do that again?
No, because you're still gonna have a blue square. Click on the
Oh.
blue.
Click on the blue square.
Now go to the blue and then change it to white. And now, actually, let's fit to screen.
So cover the whole video?
Yeah.
Okay.
Do you remember what we did for Isabel
Mm,
with the square? But you saw her do the square, right?
There was parts that I didn't catch.
So we're doing the exact same thing that she wanted to do, something dramatic. And so we're doing the exact same thing for you, except with white, so that it makes it bright. Yeah.
I love it.
Go
This
to
is
the
like
trans-
$1,000 class, Isa.
Yeah.
Seriously.
I can hardly wait to see what you're coming up with because you're seeing it all in your head.
So then in the upper toolbar, you're gonna see the transparency. Far right, there you go. Click on that and now bring down the opacity. Okay. Okay, stop right there. Okay, great. Now go to the three little dots. Yeah. Position. Backward. Okay, forward.
Okay.
I just wanted to make sure that we had access to the letters. Go ahead and click your title. Okay, now go to colors. For colors, there are different. So, what are your brand colors?
Blue, black, silver, right? I mean gold. Taupe.
Okay, try black. And then, yeah, okay, cool. So with the other letters, the text, the other text boxes, go ahead and delete those.
The boxes all together.
Mm-hmm. Just click delete on your keyboard.
Oh.
And then you have an action. Do you have any writing underneath your title?
Under my brand, my company name? No.
Okay, so click on your the white square, which is over your video.
The white square?
It's now lowered. Yeah, there. Just click on that. Now go to transparency. And bring up the transparency a little bit. And a little bit more. Oh, okay. Ah, it's too much. There. I just want it. Okay, more.
Down or up?
Let's bring it to 55. Okay, let's bring it to 60. That's good. Let's bring it to 65. Okay, let's keep it there. Okay. Do you see why?
It stands out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, pretty.
Yeah. Thank you.
And now click on the play button. There. You have an immersive experience and it doesn't overshadow your business.
Lisa, can I show you mine?
Yes.
I have
Is the background on the video too light?
No.
Or is it my eyeballs?
no, it's perfect.
Okay.
That's what you want because you want your name to stand out.
Yeah,
Right.
even make your name bigger. Oh, you
okay.
have an action item. Do you see that, Ruth? It's in like a faint white. Do you see that?
Oh. Well, the videos, I see. There's something right here, but the video thing keeps getting in front of it.
No, that's okay. Just click on that little thing.
Oh, here. Okay.
Okay, now make it black.
Oh,
Oh no, not that one.
sorry. What do you want me to make black?
The A. And the text up at the top.
There's. Oh.
And now the box in the upper, where you were before originally, where it has the red X or the red cross, the red line up at the top. The left.
The red X?
Right there.
The red X?
Right. No, right there. No, left there.
Oh, I was there. Okay.
And then black.
This one. Okay.
And now, go to position. Okay. Click out. Like as in just click wherever your cursor is. Doesn't matter where. And make sure that nothing is. Why does it do that thinking thing? Because I want it to be unselected because it's selected.
Click it. Oh, click outside again.
Right here.
It's like it's thinking.
Oh, yeah. It's buffering type of thing.
Yeah, it's still selected.
Go ahead and share. Can you share your design with me?
How do I do that?
Click on the three little dots in the upper right hand corner.
This one or this one?
That one.
Okay.
Oh, it's highlighted, that's why. Oh, share, up at the top. That one. Okay, add people, and then you can add me.
Your email?
Invite to team. Do you see my little tiny profile right there at the bottom?
Okay.
There you go. Okay, let me see if I can do, okay, and then go ahead and oh.
So this is the logo.
Ooh.
And I went
So
in.
pretty. Beautiful.
I made it more, even more dramatic, and so the logo can be available. That's what it looks like. Is that good enough?
Yeah, okay, so this is at the forefront. Yeah, it's it does kind of blend in, right?
And I've tried changing it to not that. Just,
Go ahead and go to your elements and then search white shadow.
What?
There.
No, this. Yeah.
Now try one of those, like a circle one. Yeah. And now go ahead and minimize the white shadow. Oh, did you accidentally replace your?
I just moved it over.
Oh, you moved it over. Okay. Go ahead and bring back the black backdrop.
Let me just do it. Okay, so this is undoing everything, right? There's a black backdrop behind it.
Okay.
Yeah. And then if you want me to bring this guy, how do I bring this guy without it actually
So
just
make sure that it's not highlighted. You have it highlighted. So click anywhere. Yeah. There. And now go ahead and position that behind. And then you can lower the opacity on that.
So beautiful.
You can play around with the drop shadow elements. That's a really strong one that doesn't really feather. But if you like that, where it looks kind of like a hazy moon or an orb, just like you have an orb in your, I would make sure that the able is still in there too, though.
like that.
And then I would have the logo and that shadow higher up, so that wellness is my state of being is left alone. And then maybe if you actually bring it down in size.
This one, the logo?
And the drop shadow. There, that's great. And then the drop shadow too. Okay, perfect. Okay, that looks really, that's coming together. And you can...
Can't this be less opacity? Because it looks like more like that.
Yeah, you bring down opacity. And also look at the graphics, and you're going to see that there's even more drop shadows. There could be one that feathers out really nicely.
Okay.
Like even if it's the black one, you can change that to the color white.
Interesting. Okay, so let's see. Oh, I see. That looks pretty good. Okay. So I put my
And I'll change the color.
to white.
Ooh, that's cool. And it's
Really, really cool effect.
I
Yeah.
love that.
That's a really, really cool.
Like even that.
Oh.
I like it.
But you also bring the position to the back because
Wow.
Yo.
Oh, look at that.
Whoa.
and then if you make it bigger,
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
there.
So cool.
Yeah, so that the able is also in the haze. And then go ahead and position it properly. And the able is lost. But you know, the way that you had it, you see how it's going over the top? You didn't have to make it that big, you just needed to bring it down.
Okay, so more like
So bring it down and then start maximizing the size. Yeah, so that you can see. It looks beautiful though.
That is gorgeous.
You can even have it like that and have another drop shadow that's going horizontal behind the able.
behind the able.
Or even to the left, but a horizontal one. So the,
Like this one?
that looks like a hole.
This one right here?
No, that looks like something's gonna fall in a sewer. Oh, left to the left. Here at the bottom, the second row, the first one in the second row.
This one.
Yeah, what is that?
Wait, so this one, the second row, first one?
That one. Yeah, see what that is behind the able. And then go ahead and position it and bring down the opacity. Oh, perfect. Oh, looks like now it looks like clouds.
Wow. Fun effects.
I would even say, have take away the able for now, and so what you do is click on your logo, and then see the little like tiny, bring that up so you only see the Z, and then duplicate your logo, the two little squares on top of each other, and then now bring the able out, and now minimize that, and now place that lower. Or do you have the font available in Canva? Do you know the font?
Yes.
Okay, so bring a new text box. And heading, put in your font.
Let me just type it in. PB. Yep.
And now make it like as large as you want.
Delete this other one.
Yeah. And go ahead and delete the drop shadow too.
Okay. Let's do delete. And where's this able? Bring it up. Okay, so let's see.
And then change it to white. And then bring about the spacing that you had.
Let's see. How did I do that?
Right there.
So usually able was
Have it speak to wellness is my state of being instead.
have it speak to wellness is my
Oh, in terms of placement. No.
okay, so make it bigger.
No. Just bring it down. And you can actually make it. Okay, so that's great. Let's see what that looks like. Do you see how it's coming together?
That is so cool. So beautiful.
So then you
Now-
have to keep this bigger.
Yeah. And now you can actually make your monogram and that light even bigger. And you can make the able smaller just for this placement. That way you don't need a drop shadow.
I don't need the drop shadow?
Oh, no, I mean, you don't need the drop shadow for the able.
Okay. What do you think?
Let's keep it together. I would say the light is still, I would like to see it behind the Z a little bit more too.
Okay. So you're talking about more bigger like that.
Yeah,
Even, let's see,
even bigger.
even bigger
Go even bigger than you would even think.
like that. That's pretty big.
Let's see.
Um,
Oh, that's too big.
big. Yeah, okay, so move this. And I can even, because what I think is this guy right here, it has to be like more like that. So the eye is out.
Oh, you can actually get another one and
Uh-huh.
put it behind the eye so that it's more emphasized.
Okay.
So
then,
get another drop shadow in elements. So you have one whole one behind the whole thing. So
Mhm.
have that light, have that halo centered.
Mhm.
Yeah. And then go into your elements. And then find a
Same one, this guy?
actually like a light orb. A white one. Okay, cool. And go ahead, put that behind the eye. Then you can make it smaller. And if you let's see, and I would make the bigger orb.
Bigger.
Yeah, for the Z. And even if you want it to be even more emphasized, the eye more emphasized, in
Mhm.
elements you can do white. You can do ray of light in elements,
Okay.
and then you can play around with that. You're gonna see like big, like the ones that we tend to use in Triumph.
Yeah. Yep.
You're gonna see that kind of thing.
Yeah.
You can get like a white one in graphics and see all.
I have to not choose. Like,
Oh no, not that one. That's a spotlight. So see all in the graphics. Lower. Oh there. Yeah. Do you see like how like you have the different choices?
mhm.
Play around with that where like you'll see like the rays pop out the
okay.
white brightness.
Okay. Like, okay. Yeah, because I like it because this can be moved out and this can also look it could be less transparent.
Mhm. I would even put able wellness is my state of being and lower because you see now you have or definitely put contact now lower too. There. Yeah, that's perfect.
That's how it looks.
And then you can put the able a little lower. It looks like it's trying to fit in. And then
Let's see
able and
bigger.
wellness lower. That's great. And yeah, so start to play around with that placement too because maybe even able closer to wellness a little bit.
Oh.
There.
Wow. That's mhm. Yeah, just dropping it down, the Z is by itself,
Mhm.
and it looks really professional. And the Z can even get bigger.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yay. Okay.
Wow.
Go ahead and stop your share.
Okay.